Welcome back, Profit Quests family. We're always excited to have you here. If you're new to the channel, you're most welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any updates. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel using the link in the video description. On Telegram, I share daily airdrop opportunities, crypto news, and early updates you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about staying ahead in the crypto space, join the channel right away. Now let's get straight into today's video. Today's project is all about an app called Qualoo. This app is a verified and trusted project, and I'm going to show you how to download it, where to find the link, how to create your account, how to use it, and how to activate your daily rewards. I'll walk you through every single step you need to take, so be sure to watch this video from start to finish. Don't skip anything, because skipping parts might make you miss out on important steps, and you might end up asking questions that I've already explained in the video. First of all, if you haven't yet joined our Telegram channel, make sure you do that immediately. You'll find the link in the video description below. All trending airdrops and important crypto updates are posted there daily. In fact, the download link for Qualoo is also available in the Telegram group, so if you want direct access, just head over there. I can't stress enough how valuable it is to be in that group if you want to stay updated with the latest in the crypto world. Before we begin with the step-by-step guide, please subscribe to the Profit Quest channel if you haven't already. Just click the red button below the video and hit the bell icon as well. That way, you'll be the first to receive notifications whenever I post new videos about free crypto earning methods, app walkthroughs, and exclusive airdrop updates. Now, let's get started with the Qualoo mining app. First, you'll find the official download link in the video description or on our Telegram channel. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to the download page, and from there, you'll see the app interface. Simply click on Next as prompted and continue to click through the next few screens. Eventually, you'll see a Get Started option. Tap on it. At this point, the app will prompt you to enter your email address, followed by your desired password, and then you'll need to retype the password to confirm. There will also be a checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Tick it, and then proceed to click Sign Up. Alternatively, if you want a faster registration method, you can sign up directly using your email without going through the entire form manually. Once you've signed up, a verification link will be sent to your email. Go to your inbox and verify your email to activate your account. After verifying, return to the app and you'll be prompted to choose a username and enter your full name. Once done, tap Save and your Qualoo account will be fully created. The app will now show you a dashboard. Since this will be your first login, you'll need to allow some permissions or go through a few settings screens. After completing that, you'll see a Start button. Tap on it. The app might take a few moments to load, and then you'll see another button labeled Go. Once it appears, tap on Go to begin mining. The app may run a quick initialization process. Just let it complete. After that, your mining session will officially begin. You don't need to do anything extra. The tokens will start mining automatically, and the amount you mine will be shown on your dashboard. Make sure to return to the app daily and keep mining so you don't miss out on earning more tokens over time. Also, you'll find a referral code in the video description. Make sure you use that code when signing up because it will give you a free bonus of anywhere between 100 to 200 Qualoo tokens just for using it. So don't skip that step. It's free tokens for you. The Qualoo project is verified and currently trending. Don't miss your chance to be part of it. Make sure to join today, start mining, and keep collecting your rewards every day. That brings us to the end of this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Profit Quests if you haven't already. And once again, I highly recommend joining our Telegram community. The link is in the description. Many times I post airdrops there that I don't make videos about, so you'll always stay a step ahead by being part of that group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon with a new airdrop opportunity.